we go. Y'all see the chicken just going. So I'm gonna do the I'm gonna saute the thighs in the pan, and then I will. I think I'm gonna put some lemon juice on them maybe, and some thyme, lemon juice and thyme. I think, and I'm gonna make string beans and just plain white rice with butter, salt, and pepper. Wash my hands, y'all. All this stuff in the thing, y'all. All this stuff. So I got all them thighs in that pan except for 3, which I'm so happy, which means that I'll be standing up less time. But yeah, I'm gonna make some string beans. I want some like Thanksgiving string beans, like with the meat and all that. So that's what I'm gonna make with the turkey meat. Y'all know we clean as we go. Clean as we go over here. Over here. Alright, y'all. What am I looking for? Oh, string beans. One moment. Alright. Should I do a big pot or a little pot? I'm trying to see the pot out. Never use this one. Getting sweaty, y'all. Getting sweaty. Oh, God. Lord have mercy. I'm getting too damn sweaty. You hear me? It's hot over here. It's hot over here. Oh no, I can put these in. I forgot we took our green beans in chicken stock. To build that flavor. Gotta build the flavor. We're getting there, y'all. We're getting it together. We're getting it together. We're getting there. You know, a real close friend of ours at church passed away. Like, I can't believe it. She battled cancer twice and beat it. And it came back this time as stomach cancer. And she died. I can't believe it. Like, all these people passing away, it really takes a toll on your mental. Like, for real. Because she was just here. And it's just like, what? Oh, y'all look. Look at that. Tomato basil. Baked veggie sticks, and they are so good. They only got 95 milligrams of sodium. Y'all know, kidney disease people got to watch our sodium. Salt is literally like poison to us. Only 5 grams of fat. It only got 5 grams of protein, but yeah, these are pretty healthy. I don't like the fact that we got 16 carbs, but it'll be all right. I wish it was more like 5. And this is how they look. Y'all remember them hot fries? I'm telling my age now, but yeah, the hot fries. That's what these remind me of. That's what they look like. They don't taste like that, but that's what they look like. My little container. And y'all, guess what I did today, y'all? I worked out because I've been complaining about how fat I am and all this stuff, talking about I need to lose weight and wasn't doing nothing about it, just talking. And today I did something about it. I worked out. I did a little workout. So I'm going to work out every other day because with kidney disease, there's just no way I can work out every day. But, yeah, y'all, I'm getting back to my gym life. Before kidney disease came into my life, I was one of them gym rats. I was a person that went to the gym 6 days a week, 2.5 hours at a time. Yeah, that was me. My body was crazy. Crazy. That's why being so flabby now, I don't like it because I'm used to my body being toned and looking good. And now I'm just as flabby as I want to be. And this menopause stomach. Ever since I hit menopause, my weight been crazy. It's hard as hell to lose weight. You don't get no sleep, so you're always tired. When you do work out, you're exhausted. Like when I first got done this afternoon, I was exhausted. I was sitting over there dipping, boy. And then I felt good. Like workouts make you feel, they make you feel real good. You be regretting it, like I ain't working out, trying to fight it. And every time you go ahead and do that workout, you feel fantastic. So I feel great, y'all. All right, let me check my chickens. Oven for a little bit. You know, I'm making this face because as I fill this pan, as I'm taking it out to use it, I can feel the grease on the bottom of it. So you know what that means. A person with a penis wash it. So damn aggravating. So aggravating. Alright. It's all ready to go in the Get it ready for the just spray everything down because when you stuff sticks to the pan, it just pisses you off. It really does. You know, it pisses me off. I bet you that. Okay. You gotta move sweet baby. So I'm just taking them out of here and putting them in the pan so I can get them in the oven because you know the insides of these fries are not done. You know that. Alright. Now freeze the other one first. So I make all this tonight, and that means tomorrow, since I have dialysis, because I don't cook on treatment days no more. They can eat these leftovers. And I need for you, girl. Alrighty, y'all. We rocking and rolling. What did I say? Green beans? What did I say? Green beans. Oh, green beans and rice. Put this up a little bit because I have to deal with this hair down when I'm, sometimes when I'm cleaning, because I get hot then too. Y'all know I'm in menopause, so you always hot. But when I'm cooking, no ma'am. No ma'am, Toucan Sam. Too much heat going on over here. Ooh. I gotta get a screw for that damn cabinet door. 1 second, y'all. Gotta get on my footstool and get the rest of my green beans. It just pissed me right on off. What am I gonna do with one pan? Oh, another green bean. Nope. Nope. Yeah, we ain't got no more. I hope them 3 packs, that bag and that can gonna be enough. We're gonna find out, honey. We're gonna find out. Yeah, this is what I put in my green beans too. Chicken bouillon. You can't put too much because this will make them very salty, and we don't want that. We definitely don't want that. What's the sodium on this? Oh, 540. Oh. But yeah, chicken bouillon. Let me show y'all another one of my tricks. Better than bouillon. And this is the chicken kind, I believe. Roasted chicken. That's all you need, y'all. You need a lot of this because it's going to make it real salty. And we do not want that. And then we're going to put, this is great for your meats and your vegetables. They have it in this or in this. But, however, I always have it in my house. Always. Always. And when I run out, I get some more quickly. Yeah, get some more of this. You can't be running out of no sauce. Oh. Oh no, I know the devil is a lie. Oh God, my tattoo is almost gone. No ma'am. No ma'am. Just snacking it up. There we go. And I left the tea up. We just gotta wait for this water to boil and add the green beans. I'm gonna flip the sides, throw them in the oven. It's gonna be over. All right. I think that's it, y'all. All right. I'll call y'all back. Bye.